Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another edition of the Buck Slayer Timber Channel. Let's talk about overextension of your excavator. When you're pushing your stick out, right there is about where you should be stopped at. If you go all the way out like that, you're risking damage to the piston, to the barrel, and ultimately you'll have hydraulic failure, at bare minimum a hydraulic leak, and you don't want that because it's expensive. If you need to get that extra little bit, track forward, track backwards, whatever you need to do, but don't be wide open tearing your stuff up. That's no good. Thanks for watching. Y'all subscribe. Have a great day. The more you know.